Okie dokie, today I got a box. And it is so cool to have this delivered in front of your door these days. And you know, it's yarn inside, so it just makes you really happy. What's that? This is a monthly subscription. I presume there is a yarn, there are some patterns, and maybe some goodies. I'm not sure about that, but we shall see anyway. KnitCrate has a few boxes, so let's see. If you're interested to grab something like this and you've never tried this before, go check it out. Link down below and the code KIL, which gives you 20% off your order. And this is an affiliate link, so basically KnitCrate knows that you're coming from me. They will keep on sending boxes my way. Okay, this is KnitCrate. This is KnitCrate. This is KnitCrate. And this is brown. Check it out. What a beauty. And stitch markers and some needle stoppers. I love brown. What's this? La Brebis, I think. And this is chestnut, and it is 100% baby alpaca. So it's like natural, it's not even superwash. I'm so happy for all those of you who would want to get something not superwash, and it's a 100% wool, which is baby alpaca. This is for you, and this is a fingering weight, 400 yards, 365 meters. So check it out on the screen, La Brebis by KnitCrate, and informations. Pause if you need to read it and check this out. I love it so much. Will I be mixing something with it? You know what? You never know. Let's go first and see what they can offer. There should be we should have over here a few patterns. So in the KnitCrate membership, we could get some really nice colors. This is literally, this is me. All those lovelies. I got this. Brown was all natural. I got all natural. I think last time I was chill out, so I think they changed that. I'm so happy. Are you listening to my videos? I'm just curious. And then we have the sock yarn, and the sock yarn is also so nice. This is sock yarn. Check this and this. Not sure about that. I prefer these two. And in regard to this, you can mix this together and this together. Like seriously, 2 boxes. Should be 2 boxes. Well, if I had 2 boxes of KnitCrate, I would have 4 skeins of SockCrate, and I could knit a beautiful jumper. So the month is not over. I could order one. And we have patterns. We have 2 crochet and 2 knit patterns. So check it out. We have a hat and a cowl, and we have socks. Alright, if you crochet, you can have socks and this beauty. No, is it difficult? Okay, let's see, page 14. I don't know, you have instructions. Oh my, I know I didn't get a KnitCrate box this month, but just to let you know, it's 70% superwash merino, 20% nylon, and 10% stellina. So it sparkles. Remember, stellina sparkles a little bit. But no, not like in the 80s. Gentle. Oh my, it is so beautiful. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. However, I could mix with something that I have in my stash. On the screen now, I'll show you the sweater that I knitted with this yarn, and the link down below if you want to watch it. Maybe at the end of the video there will be videos over here. And I had some leftovers from this, and this is Americo, and this is a tweed, and we have 25% super fine alpaca, 55 merino wool, 20% viscose. We have 425 meters. With this, I have 365. So, and I know it's completely different. Oh, no, it's completely different color. How will this, oh, too much. I will, now something from my stash, a gift from a friend, 3 skeins. Maybe I'll be able to knit something with it. Okay, that was just me playing with the yarn, and I hope you're playing with your yarn too. Down below all the links, so check it out. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you have opened your box already, let me know what did you get and what's your plans about it. I think I would go like a summery top, just by adding an extra skein. We shall see. Bye!